Changes to YouTube can all of a sudden make completely new ways for its creators to make money on the website. For example, last year, YouTube and Teespring partnered together, allowing the creators to all of a sudden sell their own merchandise through YouTube to their audience. Greg here, and this video is going to run through the YouTube changes from the first 3 months of 2020 that affect your ability to make money on the website. So let's start with the merchandise sales I mentioned a second ago. In the first 3 months of 2020, if we jump over to YouTube here, YouTube actually added this store page for creators on their channel page, where if you click on this tab, their audience can now buy their merchandise from right within their channel, making it easier for creators to sell their merchandise and make money through YouTube. Okay, so moving away from merchandise and moving to adverts on YouTube. In the first 3 months of 2020, YouTube rolled out a new mid-roll ads editor, making it easier for you to put ads in the middle of your videos and make more money for each time your video is watched. I'll show you how that works now. So if you're in your video in the Creator Studio, we scroll down to monetization. And if we scroll down to the ads page here, we can see that YouTube now automatically puts ads throughout your video at various points, increasing the amount of money you make each time your video is watched. And if you don't want to use YouTube's automatic placement, you can now click this button to place your ads manually. And with this easy new interface, you can click to add your own ad break, type in the time you want your ads, and that's added into your video. YouTube's also recently announced that very soon you'll be able to sell your advertising space on your videos directly to brands that you choose. So if you've had a good relationship with a brand in the past, you'll be able to choose that brand specifically and show only their ads on your videos. Next, in the last 3 months, there's been an increased amount of yellow icons showing on videos, just like you can see here, in the first 2 hours that those videos have been uploaded. Now, seeing this yellow icon next to your video means that your video is actually going to earn much less from advertising revenue rather than if it was showing a green icon. So this is a big problem because YouTube has actually acknowledged that they are incorrectly labeling videos with this yellow icon that shouldn't have the yellow icon next to them. And it's something they're working to fix. But for the time being, while that problem still exists, what YouTube said you need to do is, when you upload your video, you actually should schedule your video to go live to the public at least 2 hours after you upload the video. That 2 hours gives YouTube the chance to make sure your video is properly labeled with your green icon, switch from yellow to green, and then when your video launches to the public, you'll be making as much money from ad revenue as possible. So make sure to delay your uploads by 2 hours while YouTube is working to fix this problem. Next up, moving away from ads, YouTube's recently announced that it's putting a new button underneath your videos for viewers to see every time they're watching your content. And when your audience clicks this button, they're going to be able to send you money directly, kind of like a donation because they value your content so much. So this new button is going to be called the applause button, and it's a new way creators are going to be able to receive money from their audience in addition to the money they get from advertising revenue. You probably won't have this feature yet because YouTube is slowly rolling this out to a small group of creators, and then they're going to give it to more and more creators until eventually everyone has this option. But it's coming, and if you want to know more information about this applause button, I think it's got a lot of potential behind it. Check this video out here that I've made completely dedicated to this new announcement. So open that up in a new tab and you can watch that when you're finished with this 2020 list in this video. Okay, and the final change we're going to discuss in this video is a change to the memberships that you can offer your viewers. Okay, so just in case you don't know what a membership is, we're going to jump over to Mr. Beast's YouTube channel to give you a quick explanation. So your viewers subscribe to your channel membership by pressing this button here. And to join it, they pay you $4.99 a month to become a member. And this gives your audience access to exclusive things like certain badges, emojis, and access to any exclusive member perks that you create on your channel. So this could be hidden videos or hidden posts that only your subscribers, your members, can see. So getting your audience to purchase a membership to your channel is a great way for you as a creator to make money through YouTube. And in the last 3 months, YouTube has announced that they are expanding the membership program to 28 new countries that previously didn't have it. So that's 28 countries where YouTube channel owners are now able to make money through memberships where they previously weren't. And the final change to membership that's happened is YouTube is now also allowing YouTube channel owners to run private live streams for their members. So this is just one more exclusive benefit that you can use to persuade your audience to become paying subscribers to your channel. They'll now be able to access live streams, whereas if they weren't members, they would not be able to see that live stream. Those are the main YouTube changes announced in the first 3 months of 2020 that are going to help you make money on the channel. Have I missed anything? Do you know something I don't know? Let me and everyone else watching this video know about any upcoming changes that you've heard of in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to start doing videos like this on YouTube changes throughout 2020 and how they can help you make money every couple of months. So make sure you're not missing any of those new videos and any of that up-to-date information by subscribing to the channel. Starting up. There's also just videos every Monday that are going to help you learn how to build an audience with online video and to make money from that online following. These new features coming in 2020 can be used by anyone. You want to make sure you're not missing it because it's huge opportunities. YouTube is free to use and it's one of the best opportunities in 2020 for people to change their lives and make a ton of money where previously they couldn't. So just don't miss out on this opportunity. Start your YouTube channel. I always urge this. There's a huge opportunity there that's not to be missed and anyone can do it. So thanks for watching. Make sure to catch me on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily at starting up if you're leaving YouTube. I'll see you next week with next week's video. Peace out.